All right, so here we have Ethereum on Coinbase on the 1 hour. We're going to be on the 1 hour today because people want to know what's happening in the short term. Um, that's why we stay on the 1 hour quite often, because people want to know what's happening in the market on a day-by-day basis. Shorter term, the better. Sometimes I go to the 4 hour, but plus the thing is I'm doing this off a laptop, so I got to keep these videos short in order for it not to cut out the ends. That's why it cut out the ends. When I go over like 6 minutes, it'll cut out the end. So I try to get this, out to you guys. Time sensitive content. If you guys enjoy these videos, like and subscribe to the channel. And let's get to it. So your RSI on Ethereum is entering the bearish control zone. We went from the bullish control zone to the bearish control zone. I mean, front ran it. So are we going to front run the bearish control zone? Pop back above that zero or that neutral median line. If we do pop above that neutral median line, I think we will pop up above that signal line. Now, your moving averages, you don't want to see that 21 and that 50 fan back out. This chart is very similar to Bitcoin. I mean, as you can see, Bitcoin is leading this market. I mean, to a T almost. So bullish case is that we break the 100, 1250. If we can break the 100, I think we could go up to this purple region, and I'm actually going to change the color of this purple region. And once I do, probably figure out what I'm going to do there. Boom. So that's that's the line in the sand for me. If we can break that, things change. I mean, if we can break this, things change. 1500. But I don't think it's going to. It's going to be a lot to get above. I mean, we got rejected from the POC point of control on the VPVR at 12 through 50. That's where we need to get above. We need to get above the POC, the 100, and this last high in order to work our way up to the 200 and this red box. And that would imply that we get back above that signal line and that neutral median line. Also that we would cross the signal line once again to the upside, which means we need to get above 1205. We need to get above 1205. We need to stay above 1082 in order to stay above that zero line. If we cross that zero line, the last rally is probably over. Pay attention to Bitcoin right now. Pay attention to Bitcoin. Go watch the Bitcoin video. I know a lot of you guys don't watch the Bitcoin video. You guys want to see Solana and Ethereum. Watch the Bitcoin video. I go in more into depth and about the overall state of the market. Usually that's what happens in the Bitcoin video. Bitcoin's going to lead the market. Solana and Ethereum are going to be slightly different. That's why I make another video or videos for them. But just watch the video, just watch the Bitcoin video now, like with what the state of the market is now, because Bitcoin's going to lead this before it happens, like slightly before. All right, let's move on to Solana. Solana looks better. Solana looks a lot better. We did get a multi-crossover right here, and we are being held up by the 21. Now, I want to see these fan out more. I want to see us bounce off this 21 and get above this 200. If we get above this 200, this is where I think we're going. Now, I am going to put another box right here because this is what I'm looking at. I'm basically giving you guys my trades, not financial advice. If you get wrecked on these trades, that's your fault. I don't win every time. I do win a lot, but I don't win every time. So yeah, MACD is still crossing to the downside though. Strong downside curvature. Histogram, red bars on the histogram are increasing. We are in the neutral median zone and we are above that neutral median line. We need to get back above 3370 in order to cross that signal line and enter back into the bullish control zone. Your vol is, okay, so your vol is contracting as the price action is going down. So this looks like it could be a corrective move. It's starting to look like we can make it up here. If Bitcoin behaves, if Bitcoin goes sideways or up, I think we can make it up here. So definitely bullish case. If we break this 200 on a 1 hour closure, I think we go up to this red zone, the POC point of control and the VPVR. And basically, you know, this breakdown point that we started. So this could be your second chance, 39.50. This could be your second chance and your last chance. I'm not going to sugarcoat things and say this market can turn bullish and go up to new all-time highs or even 50K, 40K. I don't think that's what's happening. I think we are going lower than 20K. So, but I'm trying to capitalize, and I want you guys to capitalize on this next move if we have one more. Now, if we start breaking down, that's it. That was the last rally. But we may have a little more juice in us left. We may not be beat down all the way yet. We could have a little more left in it.